Here's Chong watching all the cars go by. He gets excited about going to the park with his tongue hanging out. Now he's going to sit and watch the cars go by. But I wanted to show you this lake. I think I caught birds. Oh, look at that. I caught some birds, and here's another part of the lake. It's very pretty. Nice. I wish the birds would come back, but at least we got the birds for a minute. This probably was a good time to come down here. But I figure I'd show you another little spot that we like to go to. And then there's another dog in the mist.